This is a case of 70 years male patient, a known case of transitional cell carcinoma of bladder. This is bladder in focus, and at present the patient is having complaint of burning, not burning micturition, but hematuria, blood in urine since 1 month, and there are some soft tissue mass which are mobile, and some are intact with the bladder mucosa. So it is a mixture of blood clots and the bladder mass arising from the mucosa. So these were the blood clots. Why these were the blood clots? Because they are located in the dependent part of the bladder, and when I changed the position of the patient and scanned the patient in what we say prone position, then these clots, they were seen at here, proximal to the probe. Proximal to the probe means it is now located in the dependent part of anterior bladder wall. When the patient becomes prone, this anterior bladder wall becomes the dependent part, and these clots, they are now seen at the anterior bladder wall. I will show you once again. In supine position, this is the posterior wall and this is the anterior wall, and the clots are located over here. They are not showing the vascularity. This is also in the favor of clot, and for vascularity, I had scanned the patient with the linear probe, in which I kept the vascular setting, and here it was the mass, that blood clot, it was not taking the color flow, and this setting was of small part. It was more clear, but sometime, we have to keep the setting, we have to keep appropriate setting. For example, if you want to know the vascularity, then you have to keep the setting of vascular. Then you can see the blood flow more better than the other setting. This is small part, vascular, pediatric. Carotid, gynec, abdomen. So I kept this vascular setting. So this was the first point. Then the second point is that there was the obstruction in the bladder outflow, and this was the pre-void 370. I always have a standard protocol of measuring the bladder volume, urine volume. I measure first from anterior posteriorly, then transverse, and then superior inferior. So whatever the figures that are seen here, it is according to this criteria. This is the standard protocol that I am following, and it will not change. This is the anterior posterior, it is 7. This is transverse, it is 8. This is longitudinal mid sagittal, it is 10. This was the post void. I had not measured the volume because it was nearby same only.